Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lock type and getting tools. This matters because parts differ. Once you have a screwdriver, replacement lock, tape, and a phone for photos, remove the strike plate and exterior trim first. You will unscrew the interior rose or knob next, supporting the spindle so the mechanism doesn't fall. Make sure to note screw lengths and keep them organized. That prevents confusion when reinstalling and tells you if the new lock will fit the existing holes. Once the trim is off, you extract the cylinder or latch by turning the key or aligning the cam and pulling straight out. This prevents damage. Next, measure backset, bore diameter, and door thickness, because replacements must match for proper alignment and security. If the latch is seized, lubricate slightly and wiggle slowly to free it. Make sure to inspect the strike area and surrounding wood. If damaged, you will repair or shim before installing the new lock. To ensure you install the new latch and faceplate first, making it flush with the door edge so the bolt seats correctly. Drive screws finger tight, then finish them evenly to avoid warping. Once the cylinder or knob is seated, align the cam and tighten mounting screws while maintaining proper alignment. Over-tightening can bind the mechanism. Now test the key and handle 10 to 15 times, making sure the bolt travels freely. If it binds, adjust the strike plate or slightly file the latch mortise until operation is smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.